Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Donner White Electric Keyboard Kit, specifically the DK610S model, which also comes bundled with a dedicated keyboard case. What immediately stands out about this Donner kit is how truly all-inclusive it is. It's designed to give you everything you need right out of the box. You get the 61-key keyboard itself, of course, but it also includes an easy-to-assemble stand, a comfortable bench with adjustable height, a sheet music stand, a microphone, and the necessary power adapter. This means you don't have to go searching for separate accessories. It's all here, making it incredibly convenient, especially for someone just starting out. Moving on to the keyboard's capabilities, the DK610S offers quite a bit for its class. It features 61 keys, which is standard for many beginner keyboards. It boasts 32-note polyphony, allowing for richer sounds when playing chords or layered voices. You have a vast library of sounds and rhythms to explore. 249 different voices and 249 rhythms are built in. This provides a huge amount of creative potential, whether you're practicing different styles or experimenting with backing tracks. There are also 50 demo songs to listen to or play along with, and importantly, 3 teaching functions designed to help beginners learn the basics effectively. This really opens up possibilities for learning and performance, allowing users to enjoy something akin to a band performance experience right at home. Navigating all these features is made easier by the integrated HD LCD display panel. This screen clearly shows you the current function, voice, rhythm, or setting you're using, which is very helpful for understanding the keyboard's operations, especially for new users. Now, the kit also includes a dedicated carrying case, which is a significant bonus. This isn't just a flimsy bag. It's a high-quality case specifically designed for a 61-key electronic keyboard. It's constructed from heavy-duty 600D nylon Oxford on the outside and features a soft 210D lining fabric on the inside. Crucially, it has 10mm thick foam padding throughout, providing substantial protection. There are also anti-friction bottom pads. This case is built to shield the keyboard from unexpected bumps, scratches, and other potential damage during transport or storage. It really enhances the portability aspect of this kit. So, whether you're a complete beginner looking for a comprehensive package to start your musical journey, or perhaps even a more experienced player needing a portable practice instrument, this Donner White Electric Keyboard Kit with the included case seems to cover a lot of bases. It provides the instrument, all the essential accessories, a wide range of sounds and learning tools, and the means to transport it safely. The white finish gives it a clean, modern look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.